Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we're at the pumpkin patch, but we're also going to be decorating my front porch. I wasn't really going to film this part of the video. We were just enjoying it here, but it was so beautiful that I wanted to show you guys and wanted to have you guys here with us to enjoy this place. We are about to get on the truck that you guys are seeing and go pick out our own pumpkins. This is a tradition that we have been following since Caleb was born, just to do something different with him. And once we pick out our own pumpkins, I'm gonna show you guys what we got, and then we're gonna head out home and start decorating my front porch. I have so many ideas for the front porch and I'm so excited to start decorating it. I'm also gonna take you guys through the entire process and show you how I'm decorating everything. Fall has quickly become my favorite time of the year. I used to be all about summer, and now it's just the cozy effect of fall has just made me fall in love with everything fall. I hope you guys like today's video. It's going to give you all the fall feels and vibes if you guys are into fall like me. We are about to head on the truck and get the pumpkins with grandma and daddy. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so stay tuned until the reveal of all the decorating we're going to do, and I will talk to you guys later. This is what we came up with. These are our favorites so far. So these were the ones that we picked, and now I'm gonna like narrow it down, but we're probably gonna be taking most of them. So we are now back home, and I wanted to show you guys what the space looks like before. This is what I did when I first moved in. I just added those two chairs. We love sitting here in the afternoons, and I feel like we're gonna love it even more now for the fall because the weather is gonna be so nice. But I just have this little picture right here for the flowers and a few little lanterns. These are from our wedding, so I love them so much. I have 3 of them, and I do have battery lights in them, and they do light up at night, so they're so beautiful. These pillows that I got from Walmart, and that little plant I got from Target, and it's a faux plant. So It is super simple, and this right here I got from, I believe it was Ross, and it was a steal. It was only $6.99, I believe. So this is all that I have going on right now. So we are gonna make it really cozy and really beautiful for fall. I cannot wait to get started. I went ahead and washed all of these pumpkins already. These are the pumpkins that we're gonna be working with. They come really dirty from the pumpkin patch and they have bugs, and I was reading about how to preserve them better and make them last as long as possible, and I saw something about putting some Clorox in a bucket of water with soap and then rinsing them and washing them with that. So that's what I did. I put soap, a little bit of bleach, and then a rag, and then wash them as good as possible, and got all the dirt out. Hopefully they will last for a long time because they're really pretty. And I also bought all of this greenery from Walmart. These picks were only 99 cents, as well as like some yellow flowers that were 99 cents and orange flowers. So my idea is something with the stairs. I want to do something really cute right here with the pumpkins, and the first thing that we're gonna do is just start with the start of the entire decorating process, and it's just gonna be the pumpkins. These are so heavy, you guys, so my husband is gonna help me with them.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow.
At this point, it was getting really dark outside, so we decided to go ahead and finish decorating the next day. I knew that it would take me a long time to decorate, as always, and I want to open up and let you guys know that the reason why I wanted to do the placement of the pumpkins first is because I knew that this would be the hardest part for me. I knew that it would trigger my OCD laying the pumpkins, because you know, when you suffer from any type of OCD, you want to make sure that everything is laying perfectly and things are a certain way, and it bothers you when they're not. And I just want to say that perfection is not real. Like, perfection doesn't exist. And you know, on YouTube things might look easy, and you guys might think that I know what I'm doing, but I don't. And just like you guys, you know, we have our own issues, and I just want you guys to know that you're not alone if you suffer from OCD or going through the same thing. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the pumpkin setup, and I wanted to show you guys the difference between like the real pumpkins and the faux pumpkins. You can also do this with faux pumpkins. I have a few, like these two right here. These are faux. That white one right there is a faux pumpkin, and this green one over here. All the other ones are real. And the biggest difference is that the real pumpkins are so heavy, you guys, they won't move. Like if you have wind or like a little storm or anything, the faux pumpkins are so light, any little wind or anything is gonna move them. But the real ones, even the little ones, are extremely heavy, so those are not gonna move. And you know that if you're like, for example, like placing them like this, they're gonna stay like that until, you know, you get rid of them. So now that I have the placement of the pumpkins where I want them to go, I'm just gonna be adding the leaves and just adding the rest of the decor. So I want it to look really cozy and really fall like, so I'm gonna be adding this in between like the pumpkins and kind of make it look as if like leaves were falling onto the floor, because it will happen. It's just not happening yet because it's still not falling off yet, but I want to give the illusion that there are fall leaves kind of like falling on the floor and on the pumpkins, and even like maybe the cherries and stuff like that. So
when the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun.
another good thing about using real pumpkins is that you can place things underneath them and they won't move because the pumpkins are actually heavy. If you place the stems under the faux pumpkins, sometimes they would just go everywhere with the wind and things like that. Also the leaves, if you're gonna do them this way, don't worry about making it perfect or anything like that. The more random, the better.
Branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September.
Moving on to the flowers, I'm placing them in this plastic pitcher that I have just to do something a little bit different. I'm also putting some of the fall leaves underneath the pitcher, but it's made of plastic and it's very flimsy, flies away all the time. So I'm looking for the ugliest rocks that I can find and filling it with it, so that way hopefully it will stay put for a few months.
Added colors, like the moon needs the sun, we don't care.
I'm also going to give the door and the chairs a quick wipe down before I put up the new wreath. I just want to freshen everything up, even though I feel like our porch doesn't get really dirty and our door either. We don't have a lot of visitors, and plus like it's covered so it doesn't get like rainwater or anything like that. So things that we put up here usually stay pretty clean.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
And you guys know that I always tell you what products I'm using when I'm cleaning my house. So right now for the outside, I'm using a homemade product that I made myself. It's just a little bit of water, dish soap, and about 20 to 25 drops of peppermint essential oil. I heard that spiders and bugs don't like peppermint essential oil, so I use it outside. I make it pretty strong because I do not like bugs and it does keep them away.
My life was great till you added colors, like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
I found this really pretty garland at Walmart and it was only like $2.49, $2.59, and it's 6 feet long. I'm gonna be placing it on the little rail that I have, and I also bought another one that I put in the mailbox and it looks so cute. Sorry I can show you guys that for privacy purposes, but if you guys find them at your Walmart, get a few because they're really pretty.
You set my world on.
This is the same wreath that I used on my last Decorate With Me for fall last year, and it's beautiful, but it's all white and neutral. And this year, you guys, I don't know what happened to me, but I am enjoying all of the traditional fall colors this year. I'm embracing all the fall colors, and I wanted to add a little bit of orange and yellow to this wreath just to tie in with the rest of the decor that I have going on outside. You guys know how I like to keep everything neutral, everything white, but for some reason this year I'm just going all out and just going on a crazy orange ride. I'm super curious to know what colors are you guys doing this year. Are you guys going for traditional fall tones, or you guys are going for like pinks and blues, or like non-traditional colors, or keeping it neutral? Let me know in the comments below.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up. It shoots.
And to make this space extra cozy, I am just going to throw this throw blanket over top of the chair. We can use it at night if we're sitting here, and in the winter months it's just going to be so cozy and so nice to have it here. And it's the perfect way to accessorize any like furniture that you have outside, even if it's outside and not inside of your house. I'm obsessed with throw blankets. I put them everywhere and it just makes things just a lot cozier.
Without her, I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. I've always liked to be a stranger.
And here's the before again. I wanted to remind you guys what it looked like before so we can really appreciate the after. And here's the after, and we're so in love with it, you guys. It is so cozy Even our neighbors are enjoying different porch. Caleb is going crazy over the pumpkins. He's like in awe. And I just want to say that no matter how big or how small your porch is, you can always make your spaces look beautiful. You do not have to buy 10 pumpkins. You do not have to do all of this. Decorating is not about the decor. It's about the memories that you're creating with your family. It's about the smile on your family's faces. And for me, decorating is a way of showing my family how much I love them and I appreciate them. I hope you guys liked today's video. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
In songs telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how, and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. Oh, I don't wanna let her go. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how, and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her